I bought this last week and I was a little confused when it showed up, so I want to show you how it works. I shoot videos for a side hustle and I needed a decibel reader. So first of all, the box, all it had was a USB-C cable and the bag, which was kind of cool because I wasn't expecting a bag, but this really is kind of convenient. And then actually the reader itself. So I'm just breaking this down for you so you can better understand how it works. So on button, and then all this stuff was popping up. To be honest, when I ordered it, I was just thinking it's going to tell me that how the decibel reads. I had no idea it had a like temperature as well. So like here, you can toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So right there is it's 73.7 degrees, and then that right there, 56.7 RH, relative humidity. There we go. So that was helpful. All right, so I didn't buy it for any of that stuff, but it's kind of cool that it has it. This right here is the decibel reader. So since I'm talking, it's like jumping up in the 60s and 70s. But then if I be quiet for a second, it drops down into the 30s because you're just hearing like the hum of the air conditioner. And then I've got crickets and tree frogs and stuff outside the window. So it's just normal low 30s sound. So a couple cool features. If you hit the H button here, it holds whatever that decibel is. So if you just want to get like a setting that's just like, what is it right this second? You hold it, you hit it again, and it goes back to live. If you hold it down for a couple seconds, it will turn the backlight on, which is cool. This whole really fast flickering is happening because it's on fast, and then there's also slow. So right now it's reading like every, like I think it's 0.125 seconds. So if you hit slow, it gives you a much more easily digestible reading. So that's kind of cool. Okay, what else? Max and Mini. Okay, this was, I'm trying to think. I think that, I don't remember what Max and Mini did, to be honest. I'll look it up in a second. Max and Mini, gosh, I don't remember. The other thing I recognize is the A and the C right there. Right here it says press for 2 seconds for A or C. And I looked that up, and it's just two different ways of oh, I get it. Max is the highest reading in that relative time space, and then Max was the highest, 75.4, and then Mini was the smaller. So it's over a shorter time period. Like how high did it get? How low did it get? All right, so let me turn that back off and get back to live. Oops, sorry. Let me get back. I'll just turn it off. The other cool thing is I learned is like A and C. So if you hold this down for 2 seconds, it's going to go from A to C. And when I was doing a review on an air purifier and trying to get the realistic decibel readings, I just Googled, hey, should I do this on A or C? And A is more like the native ear would actually perceive it. And then C is like a far more technical reading. And so I went with the A. That's just Google it whenever you're doing this. But I think A is going to be what you want. But it was kind of cool that it did the two. But anyway, I'm not like super geeky on this. I just needed to do it for a decibel reading. So anyway, all this stuff. It's got a windscreen on it, so whenever you're outside, it's blocking the wind, so it's going to give you a truer reading. But you could use that without it if you wanted to. All in all, the thing just feels nice. Batteries, by the way, are 3 AAAs. It feels nice, and it's pretty easy to use, but also like there's a whole bunch more going on than I remembered. So it also comes with a instruction manual, which is in my bag. Otherwise, I would read that to you and tell you exactly what the Max and Mini meant. But the point is, it just does a whole lot more than just the basic decibel reading, which I think is cool. All right, then you got this cover. And so I have, since I'm shooting a lot of videos and video reviews, there's from time to time I really need something like this. But also like at our church, we have a unit like this up in the sound booth just to make sure it doesn't get too loud and hurt people's ears. But also you could take it to a sporting event or whatever. You're maybe just curious for different reasons. But anyway, I got this one because it seemed to be like 1 or 2 best options. This was well priced, but lots of good reviews, and so I got it. So anyway, I like it, and I've never had one of these before. And the fact that it comes with the carrying bag and the instruction manual is really easy to understand. It's been good. So anyway, this is the Toptes Nobody sent this to me. I bought it. I needed it. And if you're looking for one, pretty affordable and very, very well reviewed. All right. Hope that helps. But that's pretty much all the functionality that I know of. Might want to look into that min and max again, but I think I got that one too. So, all right. Have a great day. Hope this helps.